Mr. Vineet Jain. Mr. Vineet has been associated with Vago India since 2011 and is presently positioned as head for automotive practice for smart grid, networking, IoT, and substation automation. He has been instrumental in making long term plans to increase the organization's market presence. Today, he will be talking about looking beyond energy monitoring. So, let's welcome Mr. Vineet.
What I mean to say by saying looking beyond energy monitoring, it is normally we say we do only energy monitoring, but beyond energy monitoring is something like maintenance, something like implementing of a solution, establishing connections, and like systematic control for energy performance, including errors and efficiency. Many things like we do for energy monitoring, controlling greenhouse gases. So these are what we are looking at for beyond this energy monitoring. There is a lot of things like analysis from transformer, analysis from the grid, automatic demand management, as rightly said by Himji. So all these things are to be analyzed. So this is one aspect in this thing. Monitoring doesn't pay back. Just monitoring doesn't pay back. And even in case of building, like Himji was saying, building automation or this thing, HVAC automation, if our management or our energy management doesn't pay back to the customer, it doesn't make any sense. So that is where we are looking to have something analysis, something in automation which should automatically handles its things to give a better solution. So data acquisition and data monitoring is just not a single this thing. It should be having analysis, like it is a subset for complete management. Like for a smart grid applications, as I'm being following a lot of utilities, yes, they have got a standard product. They don't have a standard product. Every product for every application, like just to connect a generator to a grid, they use different RTU, different system. So why not one system for complete management, complete complete substation? One system can do, which can reduce the cost of utility furthermore. So all the functionality should be available in one RTU, if it is a protocol converter or it is IT functionalities. In future, if somebody say, I want to put all the data in cloud and do my analysis there, yes, it should have all these functionality available on the RTU itself. More than that, RTU should be for long-term basis. It should be modified further. It should not constrain to certain limited applications. For instance, if I say you have a laptop, which if you say new Windows have come from Windows 10, you have moved on to Windows 7, 11. So same way, why not these automation systems should be, they should be such a good or modifying product which can be upgraded with the time and demand of the customers. So there should be like what a grid is there already. A grid has been established. Yes, nowadays unmanned grid is there, unmanned substations are there. So it should be a self-healing self-healing system, complete intelligent system, what it should be there. Energy data management can be a solution, not just a product. If I say I give a product to a utility or to a customer, he has to install it, and gathering all the data from the field is not that easy because he is a layman. He doesn't know what to do, where to connect, how to connect, or what all programming he should know. Nothing. It should be a complete solution. Just connect and it should start working. So this is one, and this is where we help in doing all the efficiency, all the best products we can put into it. We have got interconnections, we have got interface electronics, and all the automation product with complete solution, ready to use solutions. Thank you.